Now you all have to think of your mother. You know parents, right? Parents, माँ को याद करना. Now think of your father. पिताजी को याद करना है. Think of your father. Now think of your teachers. Your teachers, right? Just think of them.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Think about your mama, papa, then think about your teachers. Close your eyes.
Okay, now all of you say, oh, okay, with me. Oh. Now quiet, quiet. Now all of us together, सब मिलके ओम गम गणपते नमः. 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 ओम